In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an unknown error occurred with Apple ID. First, check whether Apple's servers are working. Problems with Apple ID or iCloud services can cause the error you're experiencing. To do this, visit Apple's System Status page. Here you will see a list of services and their current status. If you notice that Apple ID or iCloud services are not available, that could be the reason for your issue. This is important because if the servers are down, no amount of troubleshooting on your device will help. You may just need to wait for Apple to resolve the issue. Next, check your internet connection. It's essential to have a stable connection for Apple ID to work correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are using a VPN, proxy, antivirus, or firewall, consider temporarily disabling them. These tools can sometimes block your connection to Apple's servers. A reliable internet connection is crucial for successful verification, so take a moment to ensure everything is running smoothly. Once you confirm that your internet is working, set the correct date and time on your device. Open the Settings app, then navigate to General and select Date and Time. Make sure to turn on the option that says Set Automatically. Incorrect time settings can prevent Apple ID verification from working properly. This little step is often overlooked but can save you a lot of frustration later on. Now it's time to restart your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Restarting your device can clear out temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Simply power off your device and turn it back on again. After the restart, try signing into your Apple ID once more. Many users report that simply signing out and back into their Apple ID can resolve this issue, so don't skip this step. Next, ensure that your device is updated to the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or macOS. Apple recommends installing updates because older software can trigger unknown errors. Head over to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your device up to date ensures that you have the latest features and security improvements, which can help in avoiding these errors. After updating, sign out of your Apple ID and then sign back in. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Once you've signed out, restart your device again. Then go back to Settings, tap Sign In, and enter your Apple ID credentials. This process can refresh your account connection and solve any lingering issues. If you see the error while restoring or updating an iPhone from a computer, check to make sure you have the latest version of iTunes or the Apple Devices app. It's also vital to ensure that your computer can connect to Apple's servers. This step is crucial, especially during updates and restores. If your computer cannot connect, it may cause interruptions in the process. If you recently changed your Apple ID email address, password, phone number, or region, be patient. Sometimes Apple servers need time to update your account information. Wait a while and then try again later. This step is important because premature attempts to sign in can lead to repeated errors, adding to your frustration. Finally, if none of these steps work, you may need to reset your password or start account recovery. You can do this by visiting iforgot.apple.com. This will guide you through the process of recovering your account. Remember, staying calm and following these steps one by one will help you resolve the issue. Thank you for watching, and good luck.